Hi, welcome again to my channel. We are learning JSP. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to use JSP expression language. Before starting this video, if you are new on my channel, please do subscribe on my channel and turn on notification to get notification once I upload next video. Okay, let's begin the video. I'm going back to my NetBeans IDE. Actually, here this is our old project. You can see that. Actually, JSP expression language first has been introduced in JSP version 2.0. Its a main purpose of is to simplify the process of accessing data from JSP bean properties and from the implicit objects. Actually, it's help us to decrease JSP scriptlet tag in our Java server pages. And also expression language supports arithmetic operation, relational operation, and logical operation too. So let's check an example here how to declare a expression language. There are two kinds of expression language. First is immediate evaluation expression, and another is a deferred evaluation expression. But we will learn only immediate evaluation expression because actually I also don't know how to use properly deferred evaluation expression, but it's the usage is same, just a little syntax different. Okay, here let me do some white space, and in this video we only learn about immediate evaluation expression. So how to start immediate evaluation expression? Just a dollar sign and then curly braces, and then you can see that here we are getting more option where we can use the expression language in application space scope, in cookie, in faces context, then header values, init parameter, page context, page scope parameter, param values, request scope, and session scope, and also the view scope. We can use the JSP expression language, and here we just set our, it should not be empty, just when we are making it space here, and you can see that when I click on this red icon, you can see that encounter at line 1 column 4 was expecting on, it's expecting minimum on values. So it's a integer, floating point, string, literal, true, false, null, parenthesis, and anything. So that means it's a support boolean values, it support logical operator, it's support it supports relation and arithmetic operators. So that's the purpose of use expression language, and it helps us to decrease scriptlet tag in our JSP page. And another option is deferred evaluation expression. Deferred evaluation is start with hash parenthesis, and here is deferred evaluation expression. It's work as the same, but there are some issue to use deferred evaluation expression, but mostly we used immediate evaluation expression. So here we can say our name user. So this is our user. We can set our value here. We can set just like 5 6 greater than 5. So if we save it and if we run this page, it will take few moments because I'm first time running this one. Okay, all right, our project has been run. So here we can go to our user database. So user data.jsp. Okay, you can see that at line 31 we are getting an exception here because we don't have any data in our session object. So that's why we need to go back over here, and we need to set our some value here, and take it students and submit it. So here you can see that we get a true value. Here JSP expression language 6 greater than 5, that means it's true. and this one is 6 greater than 5. It's a give us a true value. So in this way we can use the JSP expression language, and also we can use the implicit objects. So if you don't know what is implicit object, just go back to our playlist, and here you can, I have already made a video about implicit object, JSP implicit objects. So there I discuss all about JSP implicit objects, so you can check out this video. And if you're new on my channel, if you didn't subscribe my channel, so please do subscribe on my channel. And here is a one example, just I shown you that, but what I want to do, just here I want to use a script, I want to use expression language instead of scriptlet tag. So how to do that? So just I am removing the scriptlet tag here. So I'm removing the scriptlet tag. So here I'm starting with dollar sign parenthesis, and here we already set a session attribute in our register servlet. So go back to register servlet, and here you can check out that we set an attribute, session attribute. So just copy the session attribute, and here just paste it, and dot notation, that is dot notation. Oh, one more thing I forget about that. So here is in two ways we can use the JSP expression tag, using the dot notation and using the parenthesis variable. So let's check the example about dot notation. So here just I'm passing the name. So where we are getting this name is coming from our user class. So this name variable name, and this name. So just click on save, and go back to our browser and just refresh it. So you can see that there is no change here. And there is another way we can use it. So just parenthesis, and sorry, so user and the name variable, just save it and just go back to our browser and refresh it. So you can see that we have no change here. So but we mostly used the dot notation because it's save our time. And using that we want to change the email. So dollar sign and user dot email. Okay, user dot email, so as like as a password, dollar sign user dot password, and as like as dollar sign user dot gender, and the date of birth, and the profession, dollar sign user dot profession. Okay, that's all. Just save it and go back to our browser and refresh our page. So you can see that we get an exception here. See user password. Let's go back to here. Sorry, it is spelling mistake. So okay, just save it and refresh it. So you can check that we got our all information in our user data JSP page, and in this way we can use our JSP expression language to minimize scriptlet tag in our JSP page. So that's all for this video. So thanks for watching, and if you didn't subscribe on my channel, so do subscribe and turn on notification to get notification. And if you have any question about expression language, you can comment below, and like this video and share it with your friends. So see you in next video.